Best Pellet Smoker Gas Grill Combo. Number 1. Camp Chef 24PG14. When it comes to outdoor cooking, having a reliable and feature-rich grill can make a world of difference. The Camp Chef 24PG14 offers a blend of cutting-edge technology and thoughtful design to enhance your grilling adventures. This technology automatically maintains the cooking temperature, allowing you to focus on the art of grilling without constant adjustments. With 4 meat probe ports and included meat probes, you can monitor the internal temperatures of multiple dishes simultaneously, ensuring they reach perfection with precision. Number 2. Pit Boss PB 1230SP. Combining the flavors of hardwood pellet and propane gas, the Pit Boss PB 1230SP Sportsman Wood Pellet and Gas Combo is a culinary powerhouse that takes outdoor cooking to unprecedented heights. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the remarkable features that make the Pit Boss PB 1230SP a game-changer for grilling aficionados, providing the perfect marriage of versatility, convenience, and superior taste. The Pit Boss PB 1230SP offers the best of both worlds, harnessing the distinct advantages of hardwood pellet fuel and propane gas. This dual fuel system grants you the flexibility to choose your preferred cooking method. Whether you're seeking the rich flavors imparted by wood pellets or the convenience of propane gas, the PB 1230SP accommodates your culinary desires with finesse, with a temperature range spanning from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Pit Boss PB 1230SP empowers you to tackle a myriad of cooking techniques. Its 8-in-1 versatility allows you to grill, smoke, roast, bake, braise, barbecue, char grill, and sear to perfection. Whether it's slow-smoked brisket, succulent roasted chicken, or perfectly seared steak, this grill has you covered, ensuring your creations are infused with irresistible flavors. Designed for both intimate gatherings and grand feasts, the Pit Boss PB 1230SP boasts an impressive cooking capacity of 1,261 square inches. This vast area allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, making it ideal for hosting memorable outdoor events. No matter the occasion, this grill ensures that everyone's taste buds are tantalized. To guarantee your culinary creations are cooked to perfection, the Pit Boss PB 1230SP comes equipped with 2 Pit Boss meat probes. These probes enable precise monitoring of the internal temperature of your dishes, ensuring consistent results every time. Whether you're aiming for tender brisket or a mouth-watering medium-rare steak, these probes have you covered. Number 3. Traeger Grills Pro Series 22. When it comes to grilling and smoking, Traeger Grills Pro Series 22 is a name that resonates with both culinary enthusiasts and outdoor cooking aficionados. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the features that make the Traeger Pro Series 22 pellet grill and smoker a standout choice, offering the ultimate wood-fired taste and precision grilling experience. The Traeger Pro Series 22 comes with a cooking capacity that speaks volumes about its ability to handle your grilling needs. With a total cooking capacity of 572 square inches, this grill can accommodate up to 4 chickens, 5 racks of ribs, or an impressive 24 burgers in one go. The main rack provides 418 square inches of cooking space, while an additional rack offers an extra 154 square inches, giving you the flexibility to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or a family dinner, the Traeger Pro Series 22 has you covered. One of the standout features of Traeger grills is their use of wood pellets, which impart a distinct and authentic wood-fired flavor to your food. Say goodbye to gas or charcoal. Cooking with wood pellets elevates your dishes to a whole new level of taste. Traeger is renowned for pioneering the wood pellet grill concept, and the Pro Series 22 stays true to this tradition, ensuring that every bite is infused with rich smokiness and depth of flavor. The heart of any great grill is its temperature control system, and the Traeger Pro Series 22 doesn't disappoint. Number 4. Pit Boss PB 1230G. When it comes to outdoor cooking, having a versatile and efficient grill can transform your culinary experience. The Pit Boss PB 1230G is a remarkable wood pellet grill and smoker that also incorporates a gas grill, offering an unparalleled combination of cooking methods. In this comprehensive review, we explore the exceptional features that set the Pit Boss PB 1230G apart, making it a standout choice for grilling enthusiasts. The Pit Boss PB 1230G is designed to cater to large gatherings and feasts with its impressive cooking space of over 1,000 square inches. This generous area provides ample room to cook a variety of dishes simultaneously, making it perfect for hosting parties or family get-togethers. The grill's porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates ensure even heat distribution and excellent heat retention, resulting in perfectly seared and juicy meals. Equipped with a user-friendly dial-in digital control board with LED readout, the Pit Boss PB1230G puts you in control of your cooking experience. The digital interface allows you to effortlessly adjust and monitor the cooking temperature, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection. With a pellet cooking temperature range spanning from a low 180 degrees Fahrenheit to a high 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you have the flexibility to execute a wide range of cooking techniques, from slow smoking to high-temperature grilling. One of the standout features of the Pit Boss PB1230G is its slide plate flame broiler, which offers both direct and indirect heat cooking options. This innovative design empowers you to switch between grilling styles, allowing you to achieve beautiful sear marks or slow cook your favorite meats and vegetables. Number 5. Kamado Joe Classic 2. When it comes to outdoor cooking, having the right grill can make all the difference. The Kamado Joe Classic 2 stands out as a premium 18-inch ceramic grill that offers not only a generous cooking size but also a range of innovative features to elevate your grilling game. In this review, we delve into the key attributes of the Kamado Joe Classic 2 and explore how it can enhance your culinary adventures. The Kamado Joe Classic 2 takes grilling to a whole new level with its ingenious two-tier divide-conquer flexible cooking system. This revolutionary design transforms the conventional grill grate into a versatile cooking tool that empowers you to cook various foods in different styles and at different temperatures simultaneously. The half-moon shape allows for efficient heat management, giving you the flexibility to sear a steak while slow-cooking delicate vegetables. This system opens up a world of culinary possibilities, making every meal a masterpiece. Ease of mobility and stability are paramount in a grill, and the Kamado Joe Classic 2 addresses these needs with its premium cart. The grill comes complete with a cast iron cart featuring locking casters and wheels. This thoughtful inclusion ensures that your grill stays securely in place while you cook and can be effortlessly moved when needed. The combination of the ceramic grill and the well-designed cart makes outdoor cooking not only enjoyable but also hassle-free. Achieving the perfect airflow for your cooking is a critical aspect of grilling, and the Kamado Joe Classic 2 simplifies this with its control tower top vent. Crafted from powder-coated cast aluminum, this patent-pending top vent maintains consistent air settings. Thanks for watching. We have included product link in the description. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.